Joji just released his song Pixelated Kisses, and it has a really cool cover art, which made me think, what if it was made in 3D? So open up Blender and try to make a cool concept around the idea, and the final result was amazing. So step 1, I had to come up with the idea. So beside the pixelation and the kissing scene from the song name, I went to the Genius article and saw this powerline reference which is in the artwork as well. So the main idea consists of pixelation, powerlines and a kissing scene. Now for the step 2, the process. So I decided to go to Sketchfab to grab this cool 3D model to use in the artwork, and I've actually already used it in a previous tutorial as well. So in Blender, I opened up that scene and used this as a base and started creating the artwork. I got rid of all the extra vertices here so I could focus on the face area and start working on the kissing scene. Next, I adjusted the camera angle to be focused on the mouth area as well, and then started working on the background. For that, I decided to make it bright and glowing red. Next, duplicating the same model to create the other side as well, and as you can see, I'm using the left side primarily for design, camera adjustment and the final look as well, and for the right side, I'm using it for viewports and all the other options to make it easy. So after all these adjustments, the kissing scene looks great, and now we can add some power lines to it. So for that, I used a plugin called Geo Cables in Blender, which can convert any object to cables, and it has a lot of options to customize as you can see. So I just went around and played with all these options to create cool and different power lines and create interesting composition. Then I added another bunch of wires on the top area as well and made use of light linking feature in Blender to light up just that one object. Now after some experimentation and adjusting the lighting, this is what I came up with and it looked great. Now with the kissing scene and the power line added, the last thing we're gonna add is the pixel effect. So to do that, I decided to went into Photoshop and let's finalize this artwork. I added this advisory sticker in the corner and started adding the pixelation effect in the middle as a square. I also added some contrast in the middle by making it black and white, and for the text, it was just a simple trick of using two text layers, blending them together, going from normal text to a pixelated version, and it looked great. And this is how the final artwork looks like. So if you like this process video, you can check out some more detailed tutorial on my channel here as well.